In this video, I want to show you how to put sticky notes on desktop in Windows. The sticky notes helps you to put your to-do list on desktop, which will serve as a reminder to monitor your planned activities for the day. To put the sticky notes on desktop in Windows is quite simple. To do that, just come to your search bar here and search for sticky notes. And here is it. If you can't find it here, just go to Microsoft Store and install it. And I might want to pin it to the taskbar for ease of access. To do that, I will right click and pin it to the taskbar, and here is it. So it makes it easier for me to access. Now to use it, just click on it, and this will open the sticky notes. Now it will bring these two panels. This panel here, you can do some settings if you want to, but the one we are concerned with is this sticky notes. So I can close this. Now the sticky note, I can move it to any point on my desktop. Wherever I leave it, when I restart my system, that is where it will be. Now you can adjust the size by clicking and dragging it at this edge here, just like this. So you can expand it or reduce the size depending on you. And another thing, if you come to these three dots, you can change the color. Let's say I want to change it to yellow, so I can change it to yellow. If I want to change it to another color, I can do so. Now let's assume you want to put your to-do list or the list of your activities for the day. So for example, attend seminar. Let's say activity 2 will be call ometere. Let's say activities 3 is laundry. So you can put the list of your activities for the day as much as possible. Now another thing we can do, if I highlight everything, I can make it bold. So you can say I can make it bold. And another thing is that, for example, I can italize it just like this. Then I can underline. I can underline any of the list, and any of the list or activity that I've achieved, I can cross it just like this. Then if I want to toggle the bullets, I can do that. I'll just highlight all and toggle the bullets just like this. And also, if I want to bring in a picture, I can do so by clicking here to add an image. So if I click on it, let me navigate to my folder and look for an image I want to use. Let me use this one. Click on it and click on open, and here is it. So let me expand it for better view. Yes, you can see. And if I want to delete this note, come to these three dots and then click on delete note, and it will be deleted. Click on delete, so it is deleted. So this is how to put sticky notes on desktop in Windows. Thank you for watching.